Yo, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Pimp My PC. Now, this is the show we try to teach you how to personalize, customize, trick out that PC, but above all, make it cool. Now, today we're continuing our operating system desktop enhancements. We're talking about a 3D desktop enhancement. And no, we're not jumping on the bandwagon quite yet. And no, you don't need some special glasses to check it out. We're talking about the Bumptop Desktop 3D. Step into my office, let's check it out, guys. All right, so now Bumptop 3D. Now you can see I've got my Windows 7 desktop up here, and it's still pretty fancy and shiny and new, but this is Pimp My PC, guys, so I'm always looking for new ways to get those operating system desktops popping. So that's where Bumptop Desktop 3D comes in. So we're just going to launch that guy for you right now. And it takes a little bit to launch just because it's got a lot going on in there, and you'll actually see that in just 2 seconds. Very cool program. It just completely changes the functionality and the look of my desktop. Totally digging this one. So you'll see like right away once it renders that I'm pretty much in a 3D environment. So just give you a quick tour here. Got all my walls here. Just go around and you can see right here I've got a picture frame that's right there that's actually going to cycle through all the pictures that I've got in my picture folder, and I can shrink that or I can grow it out and basically use that as my desktop if I wanted to. So we'll just continue around, keep going around, go right back to the front wall here and right back down to our original view. Now, another cool thing that Bumptop does is it adds some animations to the programs when you launch them. So what we're going to do is we're going to launch Firefox, and when I do, you'll see that a little animation happens. See that? It's pretty sweet right there, right? Little eye candy. And whoa, check it out. How convenient. This is where you're going to find Bumptops. Just go to bumptop.com, and you're going to download it there. And you're going to get Windows love and OS X love as well. So it comes in a couple of different flavors for you. So now one of the things I wanted to show is basically the widget support. So what we're going to do is we're just going to right click on our floor here and we're going to click on widget. Now widgets are basically what you see on the right wall here. I've got my Twitter, and on the front facing wall I've got Facebook. So those are pretty much your widgets. Now you're pretty limited to what you've got here. I'm assuming that maybe they'll have more widgets with more updates, but this is all you got for now. So if we wanted to, we could throw in a printer widget. So you can see over on this wall I've now got an option to send any file or whatever to my printer. So that's pretty sweet right there. That's pretty much your widget support. So now another cool thing that it does is organizing your desktop and all the icons that are there. And the way you do that is by finding a place on the floor and mousing around it. We'll just get this group of icons right here, and then once we get back to our circle, you see these options that you have here. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a pile. And you can see it takes all those icons and puts them into one little neat pile there. So now once we got our pile, we can right click on it and you can see even more options. Now we could put all those icons into a folder if we wanted to. We can break the pile and just start over from scratch, or we can do stuff like this, the fan out, which I think is pretty cool, right? So once you click it, fan it out, it breaks the pile so you can see what all icons you got in there. And once you click on it, it'll stay in that view for you until you shut it down. So that's all well and good, and that's all practical, but this has been my PC. So you guys know that I like the aesthetics, right? And this program has got some dope aesthetics. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click on it. We're going to go down to our More section. And you'll see here we can go to Bumptop Themes. And of course you know where I'm going with this now, right? So what we're going to do is the first thing you're going to see is under that Themes tab is you could actually customize this the way you want to customize it. So if you wanted Spider-Man on your floor and Yoda on your front wall, you can do that, no problem. Or if you're a little bit lazy like myself, somebody else did it for you, go out and find their theme, right? So we're just going to show you how to do that right now. And we're going to click on Get More Themes. So as long as you got an internet connection, that's going to take you right to the Bumptop universe, and you're going to see a whole host of themes here. And hey, you know what? We got Mario here. Everybody loves Mario, except for maybe that guy Luigi. But hey, you know what? Family squabbles are family squabbles. So basically, what we're going to do is just go down to it. Going to download this theme. It's going to do its thing. Going to say close, and what you'll see, my Bumptop desktop is now a Mario Bumptop desktop. Like I said, guys, you can totally customize this out, and I'll just show you real quick. If we right click on it again, go to More, I'm going to go right back up to my Bumptop theme, and you'll see down here you can use my Windows background as the floor. So I'm just going to set that off, click on Apply, and we're going to let it do its thing. And so now I've got a nice Jedi on my floor and a bunch of Mario pipes, mushrooms, and brick walls on my walls. And if that's not pimped and customized, man, I don't know what is. Talk about chocolate in my peanut butter. Well, that's today's show, guys. Make sure you check out the show notes at butterscotch.com. And you know what? Pimpin' ain't easy, but registering that next domain name is with our friends at hover.com. So just check out that promo code at the bottom of the screen and use it the next time you register that domain name. I'm Lucas. You guys keep it unique. See ya!